Hello friends. Friends, in 8th standard, you learned about some algebraic expressions. Now I am going to represent some expressions. Just you have to tell the powers of the variables in these expressions. Yes. Friends, in first algebraic expression, the variable is x and its powers are 3, 2 and 1 respectively. In second algebraic expression, the variable is a and its powers are 2, 3 and 1 respectively. If we consider about third example, only constant term is there. But we can write this 5 in the form of 5 into x raised to 0. And just we are knowing about x raised to 0 is equal to 1. And that's why we can tell the power of the variable is 0 there. Friends, in above examples, the powers of variables are positive integers or 0. Means these are whole numbers. And if the powers of variables are whole numbers, then that algebraic expression is known as polynomial. If the powers of variables are whole numbers, then that algebraic expression is known as polynomial. Based on the number of terms in that polynomial, there are different types of polynomial. The first type is monomial. In first block, two examples are given here, 2x and 5. Actually, these are two different terms. Only one term is there in the polynomial, and that's why it is called as a monomial. In second example, in second we can tell x raised to 4 plus x and other is m raised to 2 minus 3m. Two terms are there in the polynomial, and that's why this polynomial is called as a binomial. And examples which are given in third block, these are 1 upon 2y square minus 2y plus 5 and x raised to 3 minus square root of 3x square plus 5x. In these two examples, three terms are present there, and that's why it is called as a trinomial. In monomial, only one term is present there. In binomial, two terms are present there. And in trinomial, three terms are present there. Actually, polynomials are written as p of x, q of m, or r of y according to the variable which is used there. If x variable is used there, we can write p of x. If the variable is m, we can write q of m. In this way, we can write these polynomials. Dear friends, now we are going to study about the degree of polynomial. Actually, the highest power of variable in the polynomial is known as degree of a polynomial. In first example, the highest power of a variable is a 3, and that's why the degree of this polynomial is a 3. In second example, the highest power is a 3, and that's why its degree is a 3. And in third example, actually 5, it is a constant term, it is called as constant polynomial. The degree of variable is 0 there. The degree of any non-zero constant polynomial is 0. Degree of a polynomial in more than one variable. The highest sum of the powers of variables in each term of the polynomial is the degree of the polynomial. 3m cube n raised to 6 plus 7m square n cube minus mn is a polynomial in two variables m and n. We can calculate the degree of polynomial in this way. Here two variables are there. In first term, the powers are 3 and 6. Just we are going to do sum of them. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. In second term, the sum of the powers of variable is 5, and in third term the sum of the powers of variable is 2. And that's why we can tell the highest sum is 9, and that's why the degree of polynomial is 9 here.